Hi there. Welcome to English 101 for Fall 2019. I'm really glad you've decided to take this online course with me. This will be a challenging course. This is the foundation of your college level writing, and you'll be doing a lot of reading. It will be challenging, and you'll be doing a lot of critical thinking as the foundation for your writing. I have recently had a conversation with my niece, whom I love and who's a very intelligent young woman, but she said to me over the summer, "Aunt Piper, I don't need facts. I have passion. Passion is on my side when it comes to," and she spoke about veganism and her membership of PETA. Well, she didn't persuade me of the importance of veganism because she didn't have any facts at her disposal. I know she had them somewhere in the back of her mind, but she didn't bring them forward to try to convince me, to marshal an argument. That's the job that we're going to be doing in English 101. And it is difficult, it is demanding, and it's also very rewarding. So I wanted to show you the books that we'll be reading. And these are books you should acquire. I don't know if you'll borrow them from a local library or if you'll look for them in the GCC library. I have put one of them on hold. Or if you'll buy them yourselves. Anyway, here are the books, and we're also going to rent 2 documentaries. So let me show them to you. Here we go. The first one we're going to be reading is Field Notes from a Catastrophe, Man, Nature, and Climate Change. Now, it was originally published in 2007, but make sure that you buy the second edition. The second edition was published in 2015. That one has 3 extra chapters, and it's updated because it's looking at what the author, Elizabeth Kolbert, learned over the course of the 10 years since the publication of this first book. The next one we'll be reading is called Losing Earth. This was published in 2019. You'll see that it was published in the spring. This one is by Nathaniel Rich, and it is about a moment in the late 70s through the 80s when we had the opportunity to work with the consensus from scientists to at least halt or balance our production of CO2, methane, and other greenhouse gases, but he looks at it as a moment that was lost. Now, you can also rent An Inconvenient Truth from Amazon if you'd like. You can rent it for $3.99. There are other places to rent it, and of course you can borrow it from your local library. And finally, 10 years after Al Gore created this documentary, so somewhat similar to the author Elizabeth Kolbert, he revisited the science and revisited the action or inaction on the part of the developed nations to address CO2 emissions. You will be looking at another documentary that he made, literally entitled An Inconvenient Sequel, Truth to Power. Now this one you can rent on YouTube for $2.99, or if you're a member, a Prime member of Amazon, you'll get to see that for free. Okay, those are our reading materials and some of our viewing materials, and this is my welcome to you.